How can I fix the blinking light issue on my Verizon router?
Welcome to our guide on how to fix the blinking light issue on your Verizon router. The blinking light on your router is a common issue that often indicates an issue with the connectivity. Don't worry though, this is generally easy to solve. We will guide you through the step-by-step process to fix this issue.
Understanding the blinking lights.
Before we jump into the solutions, let's understand what the blinking lights mean. The lights on your router represent different statuses of your connection. Usually, a blinking light means that the router is either starting up, resetting, or going through a firmware update. However, if the light continues to blink for a long time, there may be an issue.
Checking the cables.
The first thing to do is to check all the cables connected to your router. Make sure that the power cord is securely connected to the router and the power source. Check the Ethernet cables for any visible damage and ensure they are well connected to the correct ports.
Power cycling your router.
If the cables are fine, the next step is to power cycle your router. To do this, you need to unplug the power cord from the router, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve minor connectivity issues and could stop the blinking light.
Resetting your router.
If power cycling does not help, you may need to reset your router to its factory settings. There is usually a small reset button on the back or bottom of your router. Use a thin, sharp object to press this button and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Note that resetting your router will erase all your current settings, so make sure to back up any important configurations before proceeding.
Contacting Verizon support.
If none of the above steps solve your issue, it's time to contact Verizon support. They can help diagnose any more complex issues, provide firmware updates if needed, or possibly replace your router if it's faulty. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to troubleshoot the blinking light issue on your Verizon router. Remember, it's important to keep your router in good working condition for a stable and secure internet connection. If you've followed all these steps and the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Verizon support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.